This is my wonderful Tuin cabin, which I ordered for an art space for the garden. Absolutely delighted. It's better than I had imagined, actually, because I couldn't get my head around what sort of size it would be. As you can see, it's not finished. I haven't painted it, haven't done the gutters, because it was all finished just before lockdown. So it still needs to do the step as well. Philip, the recommended installer, came and fitted it for us, erected it for us, which was so worth the money because he managed to do it with his mate in a few hours, and it would have taken us weeks. So I highly recommend Philip. Really knows what he's doing, knows his cabins inside out. Went for the 58mm size logs because I want it for all year round use. So they are thicker logs, and it's got, can't get rid of the surplus at the moment, insulation under the floor and under the shingles above the roof, and it's got these sort of adjustable feet things sit on slabs. So Philip managed to get it all fairly level for us, well actually very level for us, but without having to dig out to make a slab base using these feet. So that's splendid. So I say, it's still quite a lot for me to finish off and do once I can get my hands on paint and guttering and all that. Dual aspect, so I get the sun different times a day. Lovely big space. Electrician came the day before lockdown and fitted in proper jobby truncated electrics, which is splendid. Managed to fit the blinds, so it gives me a bit of privacy in the evening with the lights on and keeps the dazzle sun out. And got a bit of flooring down. Need to paint it on the inside, but it's a really great space. So delighted. Did a lot of research before we made the purchase, both on the Tuin website with all the stuff, all the information that they've got on the blogs. Masses of information there. We also did comparisons with other sites offering all sorts of other similar-ish products, and we did decide that Tuin was the best and the right thing for us. So really, really delighted with the purchase and the investment, and goodness me, has it arrived at the perfect time. It's been so wonderful having it in the garden with the doors open and the windows open and just enjoying the space.